We all want GenAI to scale beyond proof of concept, right? But that won't happen without a strong data strategy and governance, as well as cross-functional team which includes data architects, scientists, as well as data owners with the right tools and controls in place. Artificial intelligence model results depend on your data and processes which your teams creates and governs. Hi, I'm Natalia Roślik and I've worked in data for nearly 15 years, partnering with global enterprises across many industries, including manufacturing, oil and gas, medical, and with the public sector like national banks or ministries. In my work with clients, one thing is clear. AI delivers value only with the quality data and strong governance. Tech alone won't do it. Our latest report shows nearly half of C-level executives expect higher profits from AI in the next year, yet only 33% trust AI. And only with the right foundations we can close the trust gap. So what needs to be in place? First, bring strategy and people together from day one. Set your data domains, make roles and responsibilities clear, and make sure the roadmap serves real business goals. We did it successfully with an international retailer. We set up a data team, defined domains, and agreed on roles. Next, start with the data and metadata. Agree on common terms, set master data, enhance its quality, and document whenever it comes from and where it goes. We use this approach with an oil and gas client. For example, we agreed on one set of finance terms, so every decision used the same numbers. And finally, scale safely. Set cost limits, agree on simple ways of working, and keep a few basic checks to avoid cost and risk surprises. This stage saw success with a pharma client, where we built the first data product and a data marketplace, so teams could share and reuse data to avoid extra costs. Of course, this is just the start of the data journey. However, even the first step can show real benefits. Our clients often see lower costs across data tools, more stable analytics, and less stress in the team. AI is build, measure, learn. All this helps you scale with quality data, the right governance, and a strong team from day one. This approach will take you beyond the proof of concept stage to a real, lasting results.